Hi guys, this is the continuation of the previous video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the project setup. So let me take the presentation. In this session, I'm going to discuss about project setup. So what is the project setup means? So we are going to take the steps to set up the project. First step, we are going to create the React application and then installing the packages to the React application, whichever you required, like Axios and Bootstrap and React routing, so etc. packages we are going to install in the project, and we are going to configure that Bootstrap and font awesome, whatever the configurations which are required for our project, we are going to configure in the project application, and we are going to check the configuration whether it is applied properly or not. Thank you guys. In this video we are going to discuss about this. Now let me continue the process. I'm creating a new folder. So React project, React application. So let me open this folder in WebStorm. Let me open WebStorm. Let me open the folder. Open. So we are going to open the folder which we have created. So in desktop we have created. File, open. Let me select React application. Click on this window. So let me open the terminal. So let me make clear screen, and we opened the React application folder in terminal, and we are creating the project. Create React app, something, my app. So this will take some time to create your React project. So it is creating the project, guys, and project has been successfully created. So in order to run the project, we need to follow the steps. That is, we need to open the folder and we need to use start command. So let me type cd my app, and let me start the project. Let me run the project by using start command. Now your project has been executed successfully. So it has started the development server. Your React project is executed in development server. So this image shows that your project has been executed successfully. Now let us install the packages in the project so that we can do some changes in the project. Let me open the project, and let me go to the project folder here. This one source folder. In the source folder, app.js is the main file. So let me remove this app component. Now let me import the React. Import React from React package. Now let me create the entry point for the project. Now we are taking h4 and we are going to say React project. Now I did the change here in the app.js. Let us see the changes. So this is the change what we can find in the project. Now, as I discussed in the presentation, we are going to install the project and then we are going to install the modules or packages of the React application. So let me open the folder and let me see the steps to create the set of the project. So in this presentation I explained. So we are going to create React application we created successfully. Then we need to install the packages. So what are the packages we need to install in our application? Or the packages are first one is MD Bootstrap, and number two is Axios, number three is React Router DOM, number four is Code Awesome slash Font Awesome free. So these packages we need to install in the project. So in order to install these four packages in your project, so let me open the project and let me go to the terminal. So press Ctrl C. Press Ctrl C to stop the execution. So to stop the execution of the application, need to press Ctrl plus C. It will stop the execution of the application. Then let us try to install all the packages. So for that, in order to install the projects, in order to install the packages, we need to use the command. So npm I md bootstrap and Axios react router top port awesome and font some slash. So at a time we can install individually also we can install or else we can use at a time we can install all these packages in our project. Now let me open the project and let me paste here. Let me press enter. So these packages will be installed to the React application. Here they have been installed successfully. To check them what are the packages installed in your project, just go to package.json. This package.json will provide the information about the packages and their versions. So this is the package installed, that is 6.4.2 version from Fort Awesome, and Axios library it has installed 1.6.0, and MD Bootstrap it has installed 4.0 version, and React Router also it has been installed successfully. Now we need to do the configuration and we need to check the configurations are working well or not. For that we need to go with index.js file and we need to import import md bootstrap css mdb.css, and we need to import md bootstrap css bootstrap.css, and we need to import Fort Awesome, relate to Fort Awesome css all.css. And in order to get the fonts, we can use css font awesome.css. These are the configurations what we need to do in our application. Now let us see whether they have been installed successfully or not. So let us see the execution. You can find this one. Now I'm going to use a container class. I'm going to use a container class which is there in Bootstrap. So I'm writing dot container and p dot h4 I'm writing. So React project. You can see the change. You can see the change. Oh, because we stopped the execution of the application, we must run the application. For that, we are going to use npm start. You can see the execution and the margin it will take because we used a container class which is there in the bootstrap which provides margin. You can see the margin which has created. Let us check whether bootstrap is working well or not by taking the buttons in the project. So let me show you by taking a button. I'm taking a button, something register. You can see this is the regular button. Now let us take class name. Let us take the class name. I'm taking btn small. So these are the classes belongs to. These are the classes belongs to this class name belongs to bootstrap guys. So that you can see the button how it looks now. So a rich button you can see that. This indicates your bootstrap has been installed successfully. And I want to check even icons also. I'm taking icon tag class name. I'm going to use fa user circle. You can see that icon has been created. To increase the size of the icon, we can use fa the size 3x or 9x. You can see the size. Now in order to apply the color, we can use text primary. We can see that user. So we can apply the colors like this. So icons are working well, that is font awesome icons working well, and bootstrap is working well. Now you want to check whether routing is working. So for that you should go to index.js and import browser router. Then the browser router we are going to add, and we can put that, and we can check whether this routing library is working or not. Now I'm going to use a link tag slash. So I'm going to write here register. You can see you are going to get a link. Now I want to apply an icon. So I'm going to take icon tag. So class name fa plus user circle and fa icon 3x, so that your link tag is working well. You can see the differences. So this indicates your font awesome and React Router DOM is working well, and the Bootstrap packages which we installed successfully. So thank you guys for watching with this video, and in the next video we are going to, so in this in this video we created the React application and installing whatever the packages required for the application. We install the packages are that Font Awesome, Bootstrap, React, Router DOM and Axios, and we configured those things, and we check the configuration has been is working successfully or not. Thank you guys, thanks for watching video. Let's meet in the next video guys.